So dear students, today we are going to see COP and we are going to solve the equation for COP of heat pump, COP of heat refrigerator and COP of heat engine. So the relation that we have to prove today is COP of refrigerator plus 1 is equal to COP of heat pump. So there is equation, prove that COP of heat pump is equal to COP of refrigerator plus 1. So that statement we have to prove here now. So to prove this statement, firstly we have to find out what is the COP of heat pump, what is the COP of refrigerator, and what is the COP of heat engine. So actually heat engine is not essential here to prove this statement, but we can prove here so that it is very easy to understand. Now to calculate COP of HP, COP of refrigerator, COP of heat engine, firstly it is very essential to know that what is meant by COP. So COP means coefficient of performance, and coefficient of performance, that is coefficient of performance is given by the equation output upon input. So this is the equation. COP is given by the statement output upon input. So here in HP, now let us consider, so this is the high temperature reservoir, then this is your heat pump, and this is your low temperature reservoir. So we can call it as a T1, we can call it as a T2, then HP. So in heat pump what generally happens? Generally heat is pumped from low temperature reservoir towards the high temperature reservoir. So here with the help of some external work W, we are pumping the heat from low temperature reservoir towards the high temperature reservoir. So we can call it as a Q1 and Q2. Means what? Q2 low temperature reservoir heat is pumped to the high temperature. So here Q1 is our actual output and W is our input. So we can write here COP of HP is equal to Q1 upon W. Clear? Now next one is COP of refrigerator. So in COP of refrigerator again, so refrigerator means what? We have to maintain the temperature, lowest temperature of a lower temperature reservoir, so that we have to provide heat energy from low temperature reservoir towards high temperature reservoir. So here high temperature reservoir T1 again. Now here is refrigerator and here is low temperature reservoir, that is T2. So what happens here? Refrigerator, so heat energy get extracted from lower temperature body and will supply towards the high temperature body. So therefore it is Q1 Q2, but for this we require some external work. So with the help of this external agency work, refrigerator gets started and it extract the heat Q2 from lower temperature reservoir towards higher temperature reservoir. So here Q2 is important because Q2 is the output and W is the input. Therefore COP of refrigerator is equal to Q2 upon W. Now COP of heat engine. COP of heat engine is the another element. Here we are supplying the energy to the engine, and with the help of this energy, heat energy, engine will produce the work. High temperature heat engine and again low temperature reservoir. So low temperature means T2. So when we supply high temperature energy Q1 to heat engine, that time we get work. But during this process some heat get rejected to the low temperature reservoir. Therefore here W is the output and Q1 is the input. So we can write here COP of HE means heat engine is equal to W upon Q1. So these are relations for COP. Okay, so now we have to prove COP of refrigerator is equal to COP of heat pump. So to prove this statement, now first one, COP of heat pump. So COP of HP is equal to Q1 upon W. So here it is given Q1 upon W. So now we can write W is equal to Q1 minus Q2. Here W is equal to Q1 minus Q2. So we all know that. So therefore we can write here W is equal to Q1 minus Q2, and we can also write T1 upon T1 minus T2. So this is the COP of heat pump. So this is our equation for HP. Clear? Now let us solve this another statement of refrigerator. So COP of refrigerator, that is Q2 upon W, Q2 upon W. So we can also write here W means Q1 minus Q2. Q1 is higher and Q2 is lower. Therefore W is equal to Q1 minus Q2. So we can also write here T2 upon T1 minus T2. So COP of refrigerator is T2 upon T1 minus T2. So now to prove the statement, what is the statement? COP of heat pump is equal to COP of refrigerator plus 1. So put the value of refrigerator. So this is the value of refrigerator in this equation. So T2 upon T1 minus T2 plus 1. Take this T1 minus T2 to this side. So T2 upon T1 minus T2. So this will become familiar. So what will happen here? T2 plus T1 minus T2. So this is the simple mathematical relation equation. So here T2 and T2 both get cancelled because of minus sign. So what remaining here? T1 upon T1 minus T2. So this is the COP of heat pump, T1 upon T1 minus T2. So here our statement get proved. COP of heat pump is equal to COP of refrigerator plus 1. So in this way we have solved this problem, and this is very easy to understand. We can solve it for heat engine also. So for this try it by yourself and prove COP of heat engine. So in heat engine we can take W as a output and Q1 as a input. Okay, so I think it is now clearly understood by you how to prove this equation. So in exam they may ask you, so you can easily prove it with the help of these drawings. Thank you very much.